Did you just terminate an employee who left personal property at your office? My name is Nina, and I'm about to get in your business. Unfortunately, terminating employees is the one service I'm most asked about. So I'm kicking off my first video discussing with you what to do with the personal effects of an employee post-termination. I've seen everything you can imagine being left behind. Books, chairs, coffee mugs, writing instruments, wall art, couches, living room furniture, and a whole lot more. Texas law is very murky when it comes to property abandonment, but let me just share a couple of things I found out with you. In some cases, the person abandoning the property has up to 3 years to come get the stuff. Within those 3 years, if there is any type of communication related to that property, whereas the person is trying to request or ask for the property back, that voids abandonment. That includes a phone call, an email, or if the former employee attempted to contact you through an employee, like with a message. Let's say your employee decided to furnish the conference room or furnish the lobby, which happened to me in 2 cases. They decided, okay, I'm going to help your business. Let me use this old furniture that I have in my house that I'm not using anymore. You can't use it anymore post-termination. Not only can you not use it post-termination, you cannot charge storage fees, maintenance fees, or any other fees. My video assumes that your employee was terminated and they abruptly left the building without taking any of their things. With that being said, this is what I recommend you do with their things. You or a senior manager carefully gather all of the employee's belongings. Coffee mugs and other breakables should be wrapped securely. Do not allow another lower level employee to do this for you. And please document date and time who did this. Take photographs of everything once it's securely packaged. The large items like coat racks, antlers mounted on the wall, wall art, those things you won't be able to package. But make sure everything is grouped together securely in a safe location and take photographs of it. You or a senior manager contact the employee via telephone. Let them know that you've collected all their items and that they are secure in a safe place and that they are ready to be picked up. So you schedule a date and a time. Once you schedule the date and time via phone, you want to follow up with an email, send them the details of the conversation you had in writing, and be sure to request that they respond to you via email. That way it's documented. I'll explain why I recommend documentation later. I highly recommend that there be a senior manager with you or another witness, a higher level employee as a witness when the employee picks up the items, and then you document when they came to pick it up, any notes you feel that are related to the incident, and you put all these documents together, including the images, and you place them in their employee file. Well, Nina, what if I don't want this person on my property anymore? Because I do recommend to some companies that terminated employees, once they're terminated, whether they quit or they are involuntarily terminated, do not come back to the property. What do you do then? Well, you have a courier service. Take those items and deliver them to the employee's address. All courier services require signatures whenever they deliver something. So you've got the signature, and then you get all that documentation from the courier service, and all of that goes in the employee's file. So why all the documentation? Please, please, please note that everyone likes to sue nowadays. If that employee can prove that you have their personal property at your location and you don't allow them to pick it up, they can sue you. And, small claims court, but they can sue you. And the burden of proof will be on you that you made every attempt that you could to return their property. So you will have all the documentation to show that the property was not damaged, that the property was safely kept, that the property was no longer used post-termination, that you made every effort to try to deliver their belongings back to their home. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click that like or dislike button. Leave me some comments because all of this helps the channel. My next video has to do with how to create a termination checklist. Thanks for watching.